May profits be upon you. We're going to take a look at Euro USD, the Euro against the US dollar. Let's take a look at the RT money meter first. All right. US dollar is ranked number one, same as last week. Last week it was at 729. This week it's at 839. And that means we are moving up. All right. The strong is getting stronger. Okay. And the pound last week was ranked at number 7 at minus 858. I said the pound. Why am I looking at the pound when I should be looking at number 5? The euro was ranked at number 5 at minus 659. This week, again, at number 5 at minus 779, a substantial step towards the downside. It is the bottom 4. That means it's one of the weak ones, and it's actually getting weaker. These are the types that you want to pair together. Gives you the greatest chance for success. Now, let's take a look at the monthly. All right, now, I'm looking at the 3 monthly right now. I want you to see something. You see this zone? That is a demand zone, right? And inside of it is a weekly zone. But the key here is looking at the imbalance here. Let's turn that off. All right. There's an imbalance to fill, an unmitigated zone that is imbalanced. And this is where we are currently. All right. Prices just broke the bottom of this. We have a break and a close on the daily. That you don't see it on the 3 month, but that wick down is a break and close on the daily, and that means any price is going to take that low. That's it. I'm anticipating that price will continue bearishly and hit this area where there's no traffic, the imbalance, down to this zone, and that zone starts again, the 3 month zone with the weekly inside of it starts at 0.92411. Let's go to the monthly. Just wanted you to see that. All right. Again, we're at this monthly zone here, and we've stabbed through it on the monthly, and you can see price pulled up, and we are heading down. All right. This low here is from 2017. That's a important low because it's a swing low, and we broke that swing low when we are trading below it. This was the COVID low, and we're trading way below that. We also are trading below parity. Take it all in, folks. Take it all in. All right. All that is pointing to the bearishness in this market. Let's go to the weekly and let's see what we can see. All right. We can see that after that pivotal area of that pivotal low, that's the swing low that we broke, prices continue bearishly, protecting the high. We have a nice pullback here. So we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We have a well-established downtrend as illustrated by this dotted line here. Okay. And again, it doesn't show it on the weekly, but on the daily, we're going to see a daily break and close below this demand zone. All right. And price has gone up to the supply that is responsible for breaking this, the flip zone, if you will. And you see the rejection. This is the way the week closed yesterday, 2 days ago on Friday. This is the way it closed. Very bearish, just like the pound. All right. If we see go to the daily, we can see that break and close down here. Yeah, it's marginal, but price did close, did make a close down below. And we can see with the daily range of price from this swing high to this swing low, this being the EQ, this is the premium prices, this is discount. We want to take shorts from premium. We want to take longs from discount. Right, and when we're talking about the range, and we can see that we have a daily downtrend intact. All right, and price is traveling from discount to premium. All right, do I want to take shorts? Do I want to take shorts from down here? Well, after a mitigation of the 4 hour zone, which is well inside the premium prices, and a push down, pull back, and another push down, another formation of supply, price is demonstrating that it wants to continue down. And yeah, I think sells are definitely in order. Let's go to the 4 hours so we can take a closer look at this price action. Okay, and we can see that on the 4 hour from premium price regarding the daily range, we did break the low. We did get a break and close below the low that is responsible for the high. Can I get this? Yeah, responsible for this high. This low is responsible for this high, and we broke it. Folks, this is an internal break of structure. This signals that the pullback is over. All right, we're done with that. All right, and that's a pretty interesting place to be. All right, and like I told you, there's no traffic between this low and the contact with the 3-month demand zone down here. So once price gets past here, we might see an acceleration to the downside. All right. I want you to also realize that tomorrow is a bank holiday for US dollar. Okay, bear that in mind. So Tuesday, we may see some, so up until Monday, Tuesday, we might see some sideways action. All right. Come Wednesday is FOMC. All right, we may see some volatility into the market with FOMC. All right, listen, we'll see what the hawkish tone is maintained by the Fed. But Thursday is the big daddy. CPI data lets us know where we are inflation-wise, and if that number comes in hot, expect prices to push to the downside as the US dollar is strengthened, as people take money out of riskier assets and move it to safe havens, a flight to safety. Okay, so we'll see what the number is going to be, but we also want to hear if the Fed is still talking about a 75 basis point rate hike in November, as that is the signals coming out of the Fed to this point. All right, so I'm looking for price to maybe climb up to this supply, all right, which is unmitigated and imbalanced. Okay, I'm looking for price to quite possibly move up here, and then we can take a nice trade to the downside. All right, and in that case, if it does happen, because we have some inducement in this leg of structure here, so that scenario to take the liquidity here, fill the imbalance, and mitigate this unmitigated zone makes sense to me. All right, could price come all the way up here and test the downtrend line again, but get a higher mitigation into this zone, because we didn't reach the midpoint of the zone. That's possible too. So if price does come up here, I will be happy to look for shorts to the downside. Okay, if price just opens bearishly, all right, I'm looking, you want to make sure to that supply is taken out first. All right, and we are in this zone here. This is the zone that we're in. Okay, demand zone. All right, and I'm looking for that break and close on a 4 hour. I'm looking for a break and close below this zone. All right, and then a price takes out this zone. All right, and continues down. I'm looking for price to come back to the zone that is responsible for the breaking of this zone, right? And take a trade to the downside. All right, I'm looking for sells, folks. All right, now if we get a bullish scenario where the inflation data comes in a little cooler, that there are hints that inflation may be cooling a bit. All right, maybe we get it instead of an 8.3, we get a maybe 8.1 or 8.0. All right, that may have the Fed's thinking, maybe a 50 basis point hike. All right, and that would bring risk to the equities. It would bring risk to the markets. You'll see gold go up. You'll see the Euro USD, more importantly, you'll see that tick up. So in that case, if there's a bullish scenario, I'd wait very carefully. All right, I wait very patiently for supply to be taken out. All right, I'll wait for supply to be taken out. If not this one, this one. All right, I want to wait until I see supply get removed before I take a demand zone responsible for taking out those zones, and then I could take a buy. All right, I'll take a buy from the demand that's left behind, the one that's responsible for taking these highs out. So that is the bullish scenario. Okay, but I am looking for sells here or from here, one or the other. It's all good with me. If we're going to do this, I want to see this, and then I'll take the one from here. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash the like button and help the channel grow, and leave a comment, because that helps the YouTube algorithm. All right, and do subscribe and let people know, hey, there's some good info coming out of this channel, and I'm putting the effort in, and I'm hoping that you guys could appreciate the effort. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.